Hello science fans, welcome to a journey where everyday objects become extraordinary solutions. Today, let's talk about plastic bottles, those familiar, convenient containers we reach for when we're thirsty, whether it's at a picnic, after a workout, or just on the go. We use them for a few minutes, and then more often than not, we toss them away without a second thought. They're light, strong, and incredibly handy, but here's the catch. After we're done, most of these bottles don't just disappear. Instead, they pile up as waste, filling trash bins, landfills, and sometimes even our streets. Too often, these bottles escape proper disposal and end up polluting our oceans, parks, and cities. The sight of plastic bottles littering a beautiful beach or a city park isn't just unpleasant, it's dangerous. Wildlife like seabirds and fish can get tangled in plastic or mistake it for food, leading to injury or even death. Our environment suffers and so do we. Plastic is engineered to last for centuries. That's fantastic when you want your lemonade to stay fresh, but it's a disaster when those bottles linger in landfills for generations, slowly breaking down into tiny pieces called microplastics. These microplastics are so small they can slip into our soil, rivers, and oceans. Eventually they find their way into the food chain, meaning they can end up in the food we eat and the water we drink. It's a problem that's growing every year. The world is producing more plastic than ever before. In fact, billions of bottles are made every year, and many of them will outlast us by hundreds of years. The scale of the problem is staggering, and it's clear we need to rethink how we use and dispose of plastic. But here's the good news. Science and innovation are giving us new ways to tackle this challenge. Instead of seeing plastic bottles as waste, we can see them as valuable resources, ready to be transformed into something new and useful. Rather than simply throwing bottles away, we can recycle them. And recycling doesn't just mean turning old bottles into new bottles. It can mean creating entirely new products, giving plastic a second life in surprising ways. Imagine this. The next time you put on a t-shirt, it could be made from recycled plastic bottles. That's right. What was once waste can become part of your wardrobe, thanks to clever science and creative thinking. This is the idea behind the circular economy. Instead of the old way, take, make, and waste, we're moving toward a new system. Take, make, and remake. It's about keeping materials in use for as long as possible, reducing waste, and protecting our planet. The journey from plastic bottle to clothing is a fascinating story of chemistry, engineering, and innovation. Scientists and engineers have developed processes to break down plastic and spin it into fibers that can be woven into fabric. By recycling plastic into clothing, we're not just cleaning up our planet, we're also changing the way we think about fashion and sustainability. It's a win-win for the environment and for us. Get ready to explore the world of recycled polyester, also known as rPET. This innovative material is making waves in the fashion industry and beyond. It's science in action, turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's solutions, and proving that with creativity and determination, we can make a real difference. So, let's dive in and discover how a discarded plastic bottle can become your next favorite outfit. The future of fashion and our planet starts here. The journey begins with you, placing your empty plastic bottle in a recycling bin. It might seem like a small action, but it's the crucial first step in a much larger process that helps protect our environment and conserve resources. Every bottle you recycle is a choice to keep plastic out of landfills and oceans. Recycling trucks make regular rounds through neighborhoods, collecting these bottles along with other recyclables. Once the trucks are full, they deliver their loads to a material recovery facility, or MRF, where the real transformation begins. At the MRF, your bottle joins a stream of mixed recyclables, paper, glass, cans, and plastics, all moving along fast-moving conveyor belts. The facility is a hive of activity, with machines and people working together to sort and separate materials. The next step is sorting, because only PET bottles, marked with a number 1 inside the recycling symbol, can be turned into fabric. PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, is prized for its strength and versatility, making it perfect for recycling into new products. High-tech machines and skilled workers team up to separate PET bottles from the rest. Workers pick out contaminants by hand, while machines use advanced technology to identify and sort plastics with incredible speed and accuracy. Optical scanners shine bright lights on the bottles, instantly recognizing PET by its unique properties. When a PET bottle is detected, a powerful jet of air blasts it onto a separate conveyor, ensuring only the right plastics move forward. Sorting by color is also important. Clear and light blue bottles are the most valuable for making white yarn, which can be dyed any shade. Darker bottles are sorted separately, as they're used for different products. After sorting, the PET bottles are compressed into huge, dense bales. Each bale contains thousands of bottles, tightly packed to make transportation and storage more efficient. These bales are now ready for the next stage of their transformation. They'll wait in warehouses until it's time to be processed into something entirely new. It's a carefully organized process combining human effort and cutting-edge technology that sets the stage for recycling success. Every detail matters to ensure the highest quality materials are recovered. Every sorted bottle is a step closer to a new life, one that could see it transformed into clothing, bags, or even furniture. Your simple act of recycling makes all this possible. By choosing to recycle, you're helping to close the loop and give plastic a second chance. The journey from waste to wardrobe starts here, with each bottle playing a part in a sustainable future. Let's see what happens next, as these bottles continue their remarkable transformation. Now, the sorted PET bottles need a deep clean. They're broken apart and washed in hot water and cleaning solutions to remove sticky residues, dirt and labels. Caps and rings made from different plastics are separated using water tanks, PET sinks, while other plastics float. Paper labels turn to pulp and are filtered out. After rinsing, only pure, clean PET remains. This cleaning is crucial. Impurities can weaken the recycled yarn. The bottles are now ready for their transformation. Clean PET is the foundation for strong, high-quality recycled fabric. From here, the plastic is prepared for its next big change. The journey continues, one clean bottle at a time. Let's move on to the next step. With clean PET ready, it's time for the big shred. Bottles are fed into a powerful granulator where spinning blades chop them into tiny flakes. These rPET flakes look like colorful plastic confetti. Uniform size is important for the next stage, so flakes pass through screens to ensure consistency. The flakes are washed and dried again to remove any lingering moisture. Quality checks ensure only pure PET flakes move forward. The plastic has lost its bottle identity and is now raw material for something new. This transformation makes it easier to transport and melt. The big shred is a key step in turning waste into wearable fabric. Next, we'll see how these flakes become the building blocks of new clothes. Let's keep going. Now, the rPET flakes are ready to be melted and reshaped. They're fed into a twin-screw extruder, where heat and pressure melt them into a thick, gooey liquid. The molten plastic is pushed through a die plate, forming long strands, like spaghetti. These strands are quickly cooled and solidified. Next, a pelletizer chops the strands into small, uniform rPET pellets. These pellets are easy to handle, store, and transport. They're the perfect raw material for making new yarn. From bottle to flake to pellet, the transformation is nearly complete. Each pellet holds the potential for a new piece of clothing. The process is efficient and ensures high-quality recycled material. Now, let's see how these pellets become thread. The journey from waste to wardrobe is about to get even more interesting. Onward to spinning. The rPET pellets are melted once more and pushed through a spinneret, a disc with tiny holes. The molten plastic emerges as fine filaments, instantly cooled by air to form solid fibers. These fibers are stretched and twisted together, creating strong, continuous rPET yarn. The amount of twist determines the yarn's texture, soft for fleeces, smooth for sportswear. The finished yarn is wound onto spools, ready for fabric making. It's amazing, what started as a plastic bottle is now a soft, durable thread. Science has turned waste into something wearable. Next, let's see how yarn becomes fabric. With rPET yarn ready, it's time to make fabric. There are two main methods, weaving and knitting. Weaving interlaces yarns at right angles for strong, stable fabric, great for shirts and bags. Knitting uses loops for stretchy, comfy fabrics, perfect for t-shirts and sportswear. Modern machines create fabric quickly and efficiently. After weaving or knitting, the fabric is washed, dyed, and finished for softness or special properties. The result is rolls of rPET fabric, ready for garment factories. Each roll represents bottles saved from landfill. The transformation from waste to wearable material is nearly complete. Next, let's see how this fabric becomes clothes. The final steps are just ahead. In garment factories, rPET fabric is turned into clothes, designers create patterns, and computer-guided machines cut fabric with precision. Skilled workers sew the pieces together, using specialized machines for strength and durability. Finishing touches, like buttons, zips, and logos, are added. Each garment is pressed, inspected, and packaged. Quality control ensures every item meets high standards. The finished clothes are shipped to stores worldwide. From bottle to fashion, the journey is complete. Your next outfit could be part of this amazing story. Turning plastic bottles into clothes isn't just clever, it's vital for our planet. Every year, billions of plastic bottles are discarded, threatening wildlife and polluting our environment. By transforming these bottles into rPET fabric, we're not only reducing waste, but also giving new life to materials that would otherwise harm our world. Every recycled bottle reduces waste in landfills and oceans. This means fewer plastics end up in our waterways, harming marine life, or breaking down into microplastics that enter our food chain. Recycling helps protect delicate ecosystems and keeps our planet healthier for future generations. Making rPET uses far less energy and water than producing new polyester or cotton. Traditional textile manufacturing is resource-intensive, but rPET production is designed to minimize environmental impact, using innovative technology to save precious resources at every step. It cuts carbon emissions and reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. By choosing rPET, we support cleaner manufacturing and encourage the use of renewable energy in the fashion industry. This process helps conserve precious resources and fights climate change. Every step, from collection to production, is designed to protect our air, water, and land. Choosing rPET clothing means supporting a circular economy, where waste becomes resource. It's a system that values sustainability, innovation, and responsibility, closing the loop on waste. More brands are embracing recycled materials, giving you the power to make sustainable choices. When you shop, you're not just buying clothes, you're making a statement about the future you want to see. Next time you see a made from recycled bottles label, remember the science and innovation behind it. Each piece represents a commitment to progress and a step toward a cleaner world. Your fashion choices can help create a cleaner, greener world. By choosing rPET, you join a global movement for positive change, one outfit at a time. Style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Wear your values, choose recycled. Show the world that fashion can be both beautiful and responsible. The journey from bottle to wardrobe is a story of hope for our planet. Together, we can turn yesterday's waste into tomorrow's fashion, and inspire others to do the same.